Yo, guys, good morning. So, I think we got everything kind of fixed. I still see my image on the side here on my OBS a little bit laggy, but I think we might be a little bit safe today. Let's see if this thing wants to work right today. Big shout out goes out to my man, the Beast. I'm not sure if he's in the stream yet, but he helped me out tremendously yesterday and even offered to give me another hand today. So hopefully we can get this thing rocking and rolling smoother again. All right. So the watch list has been sent out. SPY, Roblox, CELZ, HTCR on watch this morning. SPY, we got lighter than expected inflation data. I'd be watching like this 412 zone to see if it can hold support. All right, that's what I'm going to be watching, this previous little pivot high here. See if it can hold support this morning for a move on higher. 415 through 417 would be my targets on the SPY here today. OBS is doubling up my audio. Man, why do I have these random gremlins going on? You guys hear me okay now? I don't really see the audio being picked up by anything else. Adriana, good morning. Next, Roblox. Roblox, guys, check this out. Roblox has a reverse head and shoulders pattern on the daily chart. All right, cool, good stuff. A reverse head and shoulders pattern on the daily chart. If it can break up and over this level today, that neckline at 47.80s, watch for a move that could take you up to 50 bucks. Okay, keep an eye on that here on Roblox if it can get through that neckline. CELZ, oh wow, it's moved up higher again. Oh no, thanks to Beast. All right, so we'll double back. CELZ, big move already. I was saying watch 107 zone for support, previous resistance here and here for a move up to 133. It's already done that. You can still watch 107 for support if we can't break up and over and hold 133 for a move towards 158. Doubling back to Roblox, here is your reverse head and shoulders. Shoulder, head, shoulder, neckline at 47.80s. Let's see if we can get a move through that level there that could take this a little bit higher. Make sure you can see. There we go. Okay, make sure you can watching for that neckline to break. CELZ we already did. SPY, I'm not sure if you had seen it earlier. Just really watching for a move towards 415 if we can hold over 412. 412 coming from this pivot high. All right. And then last but not least, you have another smallie, HTCR. This one tends to give back all its gains usually, or most of them anyways. Huge upper wicks on all these gap ups and all these bigger moves that it's made. So if it can't get through 220 and hold, watching for a drop. Watching for a fader on this one. Okay, it's already faded a lot since when I made the list, we were up here at around 222. So yeah, there you go. I mean, you can still keep it on watch for a fader or bottom support around this 50-day. All right, cool. Roger that, the Beast. All right, guys, so we got a few seconds to the bell. CPI came in lighter. A little bit of a mixed bag there, but it's overall came in lighter. I think this market has the opportunity to push higher. On the ES, I'm watching this 41.51 zone right here. I want to see if we pull back into this previous resistance for a move higher. All right, and that's there on the hourly chart. That's the level I'm looking at. Outside of that, you have 41.49, 41.46. So really 41.46 through 41.51 would be the support zone to watch that I will be watching this morning on the ES for bounces. All right, guys, good luck out there. Please, God, make it so that my computer doesn't turn off today. and we can get some good trading and some good stream going. All right, guys. Any questions? Throw them up in chat. Good luck out there, and let's see how this day wants to develop. Guys, remember, do me a quick solid. Hit that like button. It really helps out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. My brother-in-law is a mailman here in the area. He just sent me a picture, just a random peacock that he just stumbled across. They're all over the area. Is it me or is this open rather quiet? I feel like I should see fireworks in one direction or another. And we're just sitting like the market spooked. The market's like, whoa, who turned on the lights? That's what it feels like. I don't like where we're at. I want to see a deeper pullback on that ES. But if we break 4164, you could see a move here towards 4170. I really wish we would have pulled in a little bit more into 4151. We pulled into 4154.50. And now we're starting to bounce off that level. We're up over 412 on the SPY. 412 is that zone. The good thing here is I'm gonna be patient. If we just take off from here, break through 4178 and make a push, then I'll be patient. I'll watch and wait for a pullback. I am going to be very picky today on my setup. I'm gonna wait for it, and if it makes sense, I'll go after it. If it doesn't, I won't. It is pouring rain over here, like pouring rain. We have 100% precipitation chance today, and it is just pouring rain. It's been raining. It rained all day yesterday, on and off, but more on than off. And today, like last night, it rained like immensely. And then right now, it's just pouring rain. And that's all day long. Good Lord. The hourly forecast is all day long until at night. At night is when it's going to supposedly chill down. And by that, I mean relax. It's going to be in the 70s. Not that it's going to get cold. Tomorrow, another 40%. Today's 90%. It was 100. Today's 90. Tomorrow's 40% with a chance of thunderstorm. Yo, is the market on? Did somebody forget to turn on the market? Jono, are you watching the stream, sir? Did you turn on the markets? So while we wait for this market to do something, I feel like that little meme or that little GIF with the stick, it's like poking at something. While we wait for this market to do something, my recent hyperfixation, thanks to my undiagnosed ADHD, has me focused on leopard geckos and milk snakes. The only reptile I've ever owned was way back in my late teens, early 20s, a chameleon. I don't know why. I mean, I've always kind of liked them and wanted one. I've just never, did it. Texting John on here to see if he turned on the market or what's up. This man does not talk in the morning. It's crazy. Right, the beast? You see? Hey, what's up, Bill? You love the stream. This is really, really odd action. It's like the market doesn't know what to do with itself. Really nice bull flag, I'm not gonna lie. He does. He's a Yeti. He's actually back in Florida for a little while. I should see him in about a week or so. He should be working his way down here to South Florida. I kind of like this little bull flag setup, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I might just wait for the breakout of the flag and see what happens there. Spy is just trading sideways here right off the bell. ES still in that bull flag setup. Volume is pretty light, but it is consolidation volume. This 412 area has held decently here on the SPY. All right, we're starting to get a little move here. Will it be enough? Do something. Do something. Doesn't look like it wants to do anything, man. The beast. All right, we're testing 56 now. Are we just gonna flush out this gap up? Man, that would be really crazy. Or will we double bottom? Yeah, I know, exactly. If we flush this out, I think we'll just get choppy. I think we gotta go. I think we gotta like double bottom that SPY there. If the ES breaks under 54, I think it gets really weird really fast. I'm gonna go ahead and take a starter inside the flag. I'm gonna take a starter inside the flag. If we break underneath 54.25, I'll cut it loose. Risk reward to me is worth it. I can always re-enter later if I'm wrong. So it's just a starter position. Looks like I might get stopped out. Whoops. Yep, stopped out there. Didn't really mean to click the closeout button, but I did close it. And that is my stop zone. So that kind of sucks. It's a $500 loss on that. Sets me back a little bit here on my challenge. Not by much. I mean, we're still. Where's my account? Oh, there it is. Yeah, we're still on pace for a nice win, but this is really not the action I thought we'd be getting today. So we came down now towards 51 area, which is the area I was talking about for possible bounces. We're bouncing off that zone. That coincides with 9 AMA zone. With the 9 AMA zone, so I'll give it a quick shot here on another starter. If that doesn't work, then I'm really going to start to pull the reins back. Yeah, for real, guys. Big time. Just like I'm going to get stopped out again. If I get stopped out again, I'm really going to start to pull the reins back here. And it's looking like I will. Because this market's really not. If I get stopped out again here, this market's not doing what I thought it would do. It's looking like it's coming now. And that means I'm wrong. And I can't push if I'm wrong. That 51 level thoroughly getting tested here on the hourly chart. So we're playing off the bigger time frame. Is it gonna hold? Taking an ad there for the hold. Damn, it's not gonna go. I thought, it was looking like we were gonna hold it and go, but now it's looking pretty crappy. Yeah, Guess I'm wrong today. Can't be right every day. It's gone. All right. Time to reevaluate some life decisions. 0 for 2 on the morning. That was a nice. Set myself back $1,000 there between both trades. Not happy with that. Really was thinking today would be the day I would, pass that already. We were in such an amazing roll. So now we need $4,800 instead of $3,700. That sucks. Down 1094 on the day. I don't understand what went wrong here today on this market. So I'm going to take a big step back here and reevaluate. I mean, I have some accounts we can mess around with here. Remember, I got that 25K bundle to do some games with you guys where you guys can pick the level and I'll trade off of it with that account. We can do that just to mess around. But I don't think I'm going to touch this account again today because this, honestly, I'm just confused. The CPI data came in lighter in some areas and at expectation in other areas. We should have made a move towards 415 at least on the SPY. It's giving back the whole move. I'm hungry. It's giving back the entire move. All right, we're gonna screw around with some of the $25,000 accounts just for fun because I'm not trading my funded account now, and I'm sure as crap not trading the 150 account because I don't want to mess it up. So we'll trade in one of those little $25,000 ones that I bought for fun. 4140 could be a really nice bounce area here. And I'm going to take a stab at it down there to see if that's going to be a bounce area that could take us back towards 4140, 4158 or so. I don't even know what the rules are on the 25K account, to be honest. $1,500 profit target, $1,500 trailing drawdown. Imagine if we just get that one funded like right now. I'll freaking, I'll laugh crazy. Oh yeah, hold on. I'm not showing you anything. Here you go. So what's the size limit on this thing? I think it's 3 contracts if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 3 minis. I got 2 already. So we're gonna see how strong that 4140 area is. If we get down there towards 41.40 again and we hold, I'll add a third and we'll be in full size on that little 25K challenge. But it's honestly looking like this thing might even go lower, which would be crazy because it's 41.40 on the hourly chart. I mean, look at this. Look at this level. It was major resistance. Major resistance. We finally are testing it for support. You'd think it would hold. You'd think it'd hold. Let's see if it will. All right, we got our trade plan in place there. Let's see if it works. We're just going to let it do its thing there. For basically the little reversal. You are looking at an artist at work. Just messing around. I don't know if you're new here, Carlos, but this is live day trading futures. E-minis is what I trade. And right now we're just screwing around here with a small $25,000 evaluation account. First trade in that account, we're going to see how it works out. Looking at a little reversal pattern here to see if it wants to work itself out. Volume on this bounce attempt, guys, right now light. I want to see this volume start to increase more to give confidence that we're going to get a move higher. And hi, Carlos. Good to meet you. Let's see what happens. Oh, Bill. Bill, if this thing gets funded on one trade, oh my God, bro. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, man. That would be freaking epic. It'd be so funny. I might go ahead and use it for like a swing trade account or something. Hey, Ethan, good morning, good morning. Oh, you know what? Let me take a look at my trailing stop on this thing, guys. Can't forget about that. Good volume increase there. SPY reaching that VWAP zone, that's a little concerning. It's quite the bounce already off those lows. I got to keep an eye on that trailing stop, guys. Let's see if we can hold some support here for a continued push. We had good volume on that. I like it. That VWAP might have held the SPY down, guys. Wow. Well, maybe I should have just taken it. But like I said, wanted to see if we can get that push. Let's see if we can hold 46. If we can hold 46, maybe we can get that little push and really get that SPY into VWAP. I've been keeping a close eye on my trailing stop. That's the only thing that really bothers me here. Yeah, the B says smash the like button, guys. That's right. Smashing the like button is free of charge. There we go, 197 likes. Wonder if we can get to 200. Well, guys, I think this one here, I'm going to hold it as an all or nothing type of thing. We're either going to get it done in that one fell swoop or we're not. It looks like we're not. It looks like the auto liquidation will hit. CPI data came out at 8:30 a.m. It was light in most areas and within expectation in others. That's why we're just having some fun here because um completely gauged everything wrong this morning. I don't understand why we sold off like we did. It looks like we're gonna go lower. Thank you for the like, Fungus TV. The good thing we got going here right now is that the little pullback is happening on smaller volume, so you know it could get bought right back up, which is what I think should happen. But again, I was wrong twice this morning. I thought we were going to bounce off of the 412 area, but you know, I thought it was going to break and hold, and it didn't. Well, let's see, guys. It got sketchy for a minute there. We might set a record today. I might end up just collecting a bunch of these accounts at some point. Like, if this one gets funded, then I'm gonna have the 25, the 50, and I'm more than halfway of the way on the 150. So I'll have those three accounts funded, and then I'll just go after the 300,000 because why not? And let's see. I mean, it should do it now. To be honest, like, you should get a pop. Come on, give us the pop. Let's go. Push it on up. How many likes do we have, guys? 197. Come on, we're almost at 200. I think when we get to 200 likes is when we break out. I don't know. I just suspect. Yeah, rocket ships, firecrackers, everything. And we're getting through 52. Lots of selling in 52 land. Good lord. 100 and something contracts showing up there. Yes. Come on. Don't stuff us at 52. I don't want to have to close this trade out here and then have to redo it. Got stuffed at 52, guys. I'm going to close it out there, guys. Kind of hate myself for closing it out there, but I don't know. I shouldn't have closed it out. Would have been nice to have done it in one fell swoop, but if we break 52, maybe I'll jump back in there for another scalp. We'll see. There'll be opportunity here, I think. Because you got the SPY back at VWAP. You got the SPY back at VWAP there. So it definitely has a chance here to extend again, I think. VWAP is giving it some trouble. VWAP is definitely giving it some trouble there. Volume is decreasing a little bit. I'm going to give it one more shot here, guys. Looking like it wants to push, especially after that VWAP break on the SPY. We'll see if it does. If it does or doesn't, this is all for, let's call it what it is. This is all for shits and giggles right now as it is with this little account. It wasn't even on the plan today. This wasn't on the docket. That VWAP break on the SPY is what's convincing me. Man, this thing is such a snail the way it moves right now. I bet you we pull back, SPY holds VWAP, and then we go. The thing is, will the trailing stop crap on me? The world may never know. The Beast, you got any paint drying? Hey, what's happening here, guys? What's happening? Is it coming? Looks like it wants to go. Will it go? Guys, I think It's happening. The beast, you're out already? But the party's just starting. Later on, bro. Rest up. No. Don't pull back. Just go. What is this? You got like a point and 2/4. Come on. You can give me a point and 2/4, ES. I don't know. He says it's almost there. The beast. It just needs like somebody to just get behind it and blow the sails a little bit. Oh, it's working. It's working, guys. It's working. I'm gonna hyperventilate over here. I'm gonna freaking pass out. This is just too funny. There you go. There you go, Bill. Exactly. I think it's working, Bill. Do it again. Do it again, Bill. Bill, it's coming, Bill. We're having too much fun this morning. Come on, bro. What the hell? It was so close. The winds died down. It's gonna make me scalp it with like by like 3 trades. Watch. It's gonna make me get out of it again, get back into it later. That is wildly annoying. I think it's gonna go. It's just being annoying. You gotta break 56. 56 is really holding it down. Move my target where? Bill. Okay, 57.25. Good chunk of selling going on at 57, but it is getting bought. Come on. Got rid of one there. We got as high as 57.50 on that one, on that push. We're right back into 57.50 again, right in its face. Come on. I've never seen such a stubborn freaking 50 to break. So we're getting the 90 MA VWAP cross to the upside on the SPY. If the 90 MA can hold support, you could see the move. My stop will be 52, under 52. You got stopped out, Fungus? Yeah, looks like I'll get stopped out here soon, too. You know, it's bogus. The high of that candle was 57.75, and that's where I was sitting on the ask. I didn't get a fill. I didn't get my fill, which is bullcrap. I should have gotten that fill. There we go. I got stopped out. So I'm basically right back where it started. I'm basically right back where it started. So we'll try it again. I mean, we're just having fun at this point, trying to see if this one gets funded today. We'll see if it wants to give a setup again. I mean, we are coming right back up over 52. We hold that 9 AMA VWAP zone on the SPY. What time is it? I gotta go soon. We'll see. That's a nice hold there on the SPY. If we can finally break 58, this thing could get going. All right, we'll give it one more shot here. Nice fungus. Oh, we got the 200 likes. Good stuff. Thank you guys. See, we can finally break that 58. It's been so freaking royally annoying. Not rejection. So rejection again there, guys. So it looks like we're not going to get this one cooked up today. So that's fine. I'm going to go ahead and start getting ready to get out of here. If before I leave, guys, remember I stream Monday through Friday from 9:15 a.m. until about 10:30 to 11. Um, any last minute questions? Definitely a good time to throw them up in chat. What else? What else we got? Oh yeah, let me get you the watch list so you can sign up if you like. Free watch list. And then for my trade with on my actual funded account, you know what? I'll do you one better. I'll do you this one, which is my review of the firm. There you go. And then that's the firm. All right, guys. All right. Any questions? Don't hesitate to reach out at all because I'm always around. So good luck out there today. Be careful. It definitely looks rather choppy, way more choppier than it should be. So we'll see how the day develops, and then we'll see how the market closes. If we can close over 412 today, then I think definitely bullish going into tomorrow. But if we just close in this chop zone, it's gonna get. I think it'll just be choppy. I think it'll just be choppy, and we'll have to see what PPI data looks like tomorrow. Alexander, I think I'm not sure because I think you're Nathan, right? If you're Nathan, you're in the course. You have the full curriculum, and you'll learn all that inside of the curriculum. If you're not in the curriculum, then here you go. Keeping coffee time. So there you go, Alexander. I'm not sure. Like I said, I'm not. I thought you were in the DTC curriculum. I could be wrong, but you can get the full curriculum that includes the shorting course, the options course. It includes the full day trading course with everything in it. It includes the swing trading course. Not sure if I mentioned that, and it includes the futures trading course. How I got my account funded, all the same techniques that I used. All right. So everything's in that one. If you guys, if somebody's just interested in the futures course alone, this special actually ends today, I think, if I'm not mistaken, 30% off the DTC futures course. That that is that's the full futures course on how I got funded. Yeah, Alexander, if you're in the curriculum, if you're in the full curriculum, you just got to give it time, man. You got to go through each and every single chapter and quiz and take your time with it. Remember, guys, just because you go through a course or a curriculum doesn't mean you're gonna. It's not a light bulb. At the end of it, it doesn't just flip on and you're like, oh, that's it. It's gonna take time. Your everything like that is covered in the curriculum, like where to enter trades, how to exit them. It's all based off of patterns and setups, and I teach them all in detail in that curriculum. Right now, super choppy market, guys. Guys, I'm gonna get out of here. Any questions? Don't hesitate to reach out. I will see you.